In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background in Trello. Customizing your Trello board is a great way to make it feel more personal and visually appealing. Whether you're managing a team project, organizing your tasks, or simply planning your week, changing the background can help you create a workspace that reflects your style or keeps you inspired. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of updating your Trello background, whether you prefer a solid color, a preset image, or even your own custom photo. Let's get started. First, open the Trello board you want to customize. If you're already logged into Trello, simply navigate to the specific board you'd like to work on. Once you're there, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see an icon with 3 dots, or it may say Show Menu. Go ahead and click that to open the menu for your board. Now that the menu is open, look for the option labeled Change Background, select it, and this will take you to the customization settings for your board's background. Here you'll have 2 main options to choose from: Colors and Photos. If you're looking for a quick and simple change, you can select Colors to browse through a variety of preset solid color options. Alternatively, if you'd like something with more visual interest, choose Photos to access Trello's library of preset images. Once you've decided between Colors and Photos, click on the one you'd like to use. For instance, if you choose a color, simply click on your favorite shade to preview it instantly. If you opt for a photo, click on an image to see how it looks on your board. The background will update automatically, so you can see the change in real time. If you'd rather use your own custom background, don't worry. Trello makes that easy too. Look for the Add button or a small plus icon within the Change Background menu. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to upload an image from your computer. Choose the photo you'd like to use as your background, and once you've selected it, the upload process will begin. After the upload is complete, your image will appear as an option within the background menu. Simply click on it to apply it to your board. If the new background doesn't appear right away, just refresh your browser, and it should display correctly. And that's it. You can revisit the Change Background menu at any time to update your board's look whenever you like. Whether you prefer to keep things simple with colors or go all out with custom images, Trello offers plenty of flexibility to make your workspace your own. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.